Hello everyone, this is JD from ZN Consulting, and in this video we will talk about the Stakeholder Cube. It is a technique used for prioritizing stakeholders in your project. In this technique, we do an analysis of stakeholders on three dimensions: attitude, power, and interest. Let us try to understand these factors. Attitude. This determines whether the stakeholder is for or against the project. Power is the degree of ability of the stakeholder to do what they want with the project and how they want to do it. Power is associated with authority. Interest represents how much a stakeholder is impacted by the project. The impact can be positive or negative. The degree of the interest depends upon the severity of the impact. So how does this work? Well, we represent the three dimensions as a cube like so. You can see the three dimensions represented by the axis. And then we start mapping the stakeholders based on the combination of factors they belong to. Let us look at the possible combinations. High power with low interest and low attitude. These are called influential passive blockers. These stakeholders are like ticking time bombs. Diffuse them before they explode. High power with low interest and high attitude. These are called influential passive backers. These are like sleeping giants. You have to engage them closely. High power with high interest and high attitude. These are called influential active backers. They are beyond friends. These are the saviors who can rescue your project during crisis. High power, high interest and low attitude. These are called influential active blockers. They are possible saboteurs. You have to monitor them closely. Low power with low interest and low attitude. These are called insignificant passive blockers. They are like tripwires. You need to watch out. Low power with low interest and high attitude. These are called insignificant passive backers. These are acquaintances. They are aware but not against the project. Low power with high interest and high attitude. These are called insignificant active backers. These are friends of the project, your allies. And last but not the least, low power, low interest and high attitude. These are called insignificant active blockers. They are irritant as their interest is not in project success. And that is all. Now you know your stakeholders better. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. If you are interested in our certification prep courses, you can click the link in the description. Thanks for your time and see you in another video.